Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable hardware overlays on Android. So if you want to disable it, you can try to activate developer option first. You can tap on a about phone. Here you can try to search build number and try to tap repeatedly until a notification show up or pop ups and says you are on developer option. After that, you can go to the additional settings and then try to search developer option, this one. Now you can access developer options. Now you can scroll down and try to search the hardware overlay, this one, disable hardware overlays, always use GPU for screen composition. So if you turn on this option, disable hardware overlays, a hardware overlays allows app that displays something on the screen to use less processing power. Without the overlay, an app shares the video memory and has to constantly check for collision and clipping to render a proper image. And don't mess with this option unless you have a good reason though. So if you know what you are doing, you can try to disable these hardware overlays. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.